गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम अपने ईवीएस के एक नेक्स्ट चैप्टर की रीडिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे। चैप्टर 8 प्लांट एंड एनिमल फूड।
Chapter 8 Plant and Animal Food. Plants and animals provide us a variety of food. They give us vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, egg, milk, etc. But have you wondered how plants and animals get food for themselves? Let us study how plants and animals obtain their food. Photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Thus, they are called producers. The term photosynthesis is derived from two words, photo meaning light and synthesis meaning putting together. Photosynthesis occurs in the green leaves of plants. Therefore, leaves are also called the food factories of plants. This process takes place in the presence of water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. The roots of plants absorb water and minerals from the soil and transport it to the leaves. Carbon dioxide rich air is taken in by the leaves through small opening present on their surface called stomata. Chlorophyll, a green pigment in leaves, helps to trap the energy from the sun. It then uses this energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into plant food in the form of glucose, a kind of sugar. Oxygen is released as a byproduct by plants during this process. The oxygen is utilized by humans and animals for the process of respiration. The food prepared by plants is utilized for their growth. The extra food is usually stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plants like fruits, seeds, roots, stems and leaves. Apart from food, plants also need nutrients to grow well. These nutrients are provided to plants by manure added to the soil. The manure also makes the soil fertile. Insectivorous plants. The plants which eat insects are called insectivorous plants. They are also called carnivorous plants. The Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, butterwort, and sundew are a few examples of insectivorous plant. These plants eat insects to fulfill their need of nitrogen as they grow in nitrogen deficient soil. They have special structures to trap insects. Let us learn about some of them. Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap eats insects with the help of its jaw like leaves. When an insect sits on its leaves, the leaves close and trap the insect. The insect is then digested by the digestive juices present in the leaves. Pitcher plant. A pitcher plant has pitcher-like leaves with a lid on them. The cavity of these leaves is filled with nectar-like secretion that attracts insects into them. Once the insect gets into the cavity, the lid gets closed and the insect is trapped in it. The insect is then digested in the leaves. Food for animals. Animals cannot make their own food. They depend for food on plants and other animals. Hence, they are called consumers. On the basis of their food habits, animals can be divided into various categories. Herbivores. Animals that feed only on plants are known as herbivores. For example, cow, buffalo, deer, giraffe, etc. Carnivores. Animals that feed on flesh of other animals are called carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, wolf, etc. Omnivores. Animals that feed on both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. For example, bear, crow, human, etc. Scavengers. Animals that feed on dead animals are called scavengers. They do not hunt for prey like carnivores. For example, vulture, hyena, etc. Food chain. A food chain is a series of feeding relationship between living organisms. It shows how each living organism gets its food and how energy is passed from one organism to another. For example, a grasshopper eats grass. It is then eaten by a frog. The frog is eaten by a snake, and the snake is eaten by an eagle. In the food chain, the energy stored in grass is transferred to the grasshopper. When it eats the grass, when the frog eats the grasshopper, the energy gets transferred from the grasshopper to the frog. Similarly, the transfer of energy takes place to the snake and then to the eagle. Another example of food chain: leaf, caterpillar, chameleon, snake, mongoose. Food web. When many food chains are connected together, it forms a food web. A food web is formed because a particular food source is not just eaten by a particular animal. It is eaten by many different animals. For example, grass is not only eaten by grasshopper, but it is also eaten by cow, buffalo, deer, etc. In turn, deer can be eaten by a tiger, lion, wolf, etc. Thus, many food chains are interlinked in nature, which forms a food web. Thank you.